Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Thursday, March the 7th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the Three Stars Sudoku. And we have here three puzzles left, the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one you are interested, the Four Stars Sudoku number 8. 146. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle we have here. 4 1s. We have here 1 2. We have here 3 3s. We have here 3 4s. We have here 2 5s. We have here 2 6s. We have here 3 7s. We have here 3 8s. And we have here 2 9s. So the ones are in majority. Can I start with one? Yes, one in this column, one in middle column. So the column next. Only place left the one should be there. 1 1. Okay. 1 1 1 1 1. Cannot continue with the one now. Need to wait. How about the 6 in the third row? 6 in the second row. So the first row only place level the 6. Should be there. 8 8. Okay. How about the 9 in this row? 9 in the row above. So that row only place level 9 should be there. 4 4. Well, need a 3 here. 4 in this column. 4 in column next. On the last column, the only place level 4. A should be there. Need a 1 here. Need a 1 here. Need a 3 here. And I need an 8 here. Well, we have the numbers here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these two boxes. We have a 1 in the third row, no 1 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 1 in this big square. Shoot there. 1 in this column. 1 in the column next. So last column, no, only 3 place level. The 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, so no 1 there. So the 1 could be here, could be there. We have 3 in this column, 3 in the column next. So the last column, no, only 3 place level. The 3 could be here or there. Same for the 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So the last column, no, only 3 place level. 8 here or there. Alright, that means that these 3 missing numbers in the last column are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, 4, 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, 5, 9. That means the other 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7. Here we have a 9 in this column, 9 in one of those 3 boxes in the last column. So the column between only 2 place level 9 could be here, could be there. Need a 2 here and I need a 5 here. 5, yeah. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 5 and the 7. We have 5 and the 7 in this row, so no 5 and the 7 in these 2 boxes. 5 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1, 8, and the 3. Well. 3, need a 5 here. 5, 5. Well. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And missing numbers. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 in these 2 boxes. We have 7 in one of those 2 boxes in this row, no 7 in those 2 boxes. So the 7 in this big square could be here, could be there. 7 in this column, 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, not only 2 place 11 and 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. Okay. Need a 6, need a 2, need a 8, need a 3. Need a 6. Yep, we have a pair again. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 could be here, or there. We see another 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In this row, no 6 there. So the 6 goes together with the 7 as a pair. So we have 6 in this column, 6 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, only place 11 6. Should be there. 2, 3, and an 8 are missing. Alright. Yeah. One of the missing number in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers in this big square. We have 3 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and 8. We have a 2 and 8 in this row. So no 2 and 8 in this box. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in this big square for the amount. 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4. Yeah, 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So the column between the middle column now only 2 place left. The 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. Wow. 2, 6, 6, 7. Okay. 2, 5, 9. Here we have 2, 5, 9 in the last column. Well, we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes and a 5 in this row. So no 2 and a 5 in this box. 2 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left in the last column for number 9 then. Okay, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 now in this row. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. Alright. 2, 2. Need a 5 here. 6, 7, and need a 9 here. Yeah, 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So the row above the only 2 place 11 and 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the fifth column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9, okay. So 2 numbers left, the 6 and the 7. In this row, we have a 6 in the fifth column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 7 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 7. 7, 7, 7, okay. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Yeah, 1, 8, 3. Need a 7 here. Well. How about these 3 missing numbers in this column for numbers? The 1, 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 2, 8, 9. 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9, 2, 8, 9. Look, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 there. It's the only place left with 8 should be there. So the 2 and the 9 are left, okay. The other pair in this big square are numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5, 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the third row, so the row between the second row only 2 places left on 3. Come here, come here. Well, we need a 4 here. No. 1, 2, 3. Need a 5 here. Yep, need a 5 here. Thinking. Ay. Need a 4 here. Come on. Need 6. Need a 6 here. And I need an 8 here. And I need a 5 here. 5. 3, 1, 3, 1. And 4, 3, 1, and 4. Well, come on. 9, 2, 5. Need a 5 here. 5 there. Well. 5 here. 8, 3. 1, 8, 3. I'm thinking. We have a pair 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row, so the row between. The second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. And together with the 3, we have a pair 3 and a 7, 3 and a 7. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes in there. We have all the 7s, nope. Need a 7 there, need a 7 here. We have all the 3s, 3. No, 3 should be here. And I need a... Well. 3, 1, 4, 3. Yeah, 3 missing numbers. In this row, those missing numbers are 1 is missing, the 2, 3 is missing, and a 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. And look, we have 1 and 3 in the third column, so no 1 and 3 in this box. 1 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for number 4. Alright. Need a 2 here. Yep. 3 missing numbers in the third column. 1 of the missing number in the third column is number 2. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in the middle row. No 2 there. Here can be 2. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. No 2 there. Only place left with 2 in the third column. Should be there. 5 and 8. 2 numbers left in the third column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes in there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8. 6 and 8. We have 8 in the second column. No 8 there. 8 should be here. The 6 goes in there. So we have a 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column only 3 places left. 6 we here or there. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. No 6 there. We have a 6 in the last row. No 6 there. So the only place left 6 should be there. Well, 4. Need a 4 here. And I need... Come on. Well. Yeah, 2 numbers left in this column. 2 and 8. 2 and 8. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 8. Here, 2 on the 9 are left. Well, I need a 5 here. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for almost 1. 2 is missing and a 3 is missing. 2 and a 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 3 goes there. And here we have 1, 8, 3. And look, we have 3 and 8 in this row. So no 3 and 8 in this box. 3 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 is left. Should be the 1. Okay, so 8 and the 3. Here, 1 box left in this row for the number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. I need a 5 there. Okay. Well. We have a pair, I believe. The 2 and the 5 in the first column. The 2 and the 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 place level, the 2 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 5, 2 and the 5. So here should be 1, 3, and I need a 4 here. Yeah. Well, in the first column, I need a 4. Here can be 4. We have 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. So the 4 in the first column could be here or there. Here or there, we see another 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. So the 1 and the 3 are left. Well, 8 and the 3, we already have an 8 here in this row, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. 3 goes there. Here, 1 and the 3, we have the 3 now in this row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. This is a 3, okay. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for number 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and the 9, 4 and 9. We have a 4 in this row. First row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 9 goes there. 2 and the 9, we have a 9 in the first row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 2 and the 5, we have a 2 now in the first row. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this second row for number 2. Yeah, and I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. So 1 is left in this big square for number 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5 is missing. 7 and the 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 7 goes there. 6 and the 7, we have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in the 2 and the 6. We have 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finished in 18 minutes. Well. We solved it again. 4 stars, no. 3 stars, no. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So well pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also myself. Thank you again for watching. And we'll see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. The binary and the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.